In this video, I will show you how to create these viral aesthetic Instagram reels in DaVinci Resolve in just 3 steps. Step 1. Choose the man. Go to Pinterest and in the search bar, type the name of your favorite character. Choose your favorite image. Right click on it and select Save Image. Step 2. Project Setup. Open DaVinci Resolve and make a new project. As always, make sure to follow a proper structure and create separate bins for everything you will need. Create a new 60 fps timeline for smooth animations. First, I will show you how to create this, and then you can replicate it for other videos. So let's bring in our image in the timeline that we got from Pinterest and turn it into a new Fusion clip. Then open it in the Fusion page. So for the first animation, add an ellipse mask over the image. Then take the playhead to frame 0 and change the Y position of the mask to -0.17. Then keyframe it and also keyframe the width and the height. Then go to frame 70 and change the Y position to -0.01 and also increase the width and height to 4. And that will give you this animation. Now go to settings and turn on motion blur and increase the quality. At last, open the spline tab, select everything, press this button to fit everything in, Ctrl A, right click, ease and out cubic. This will smoothen the animation. Now back in the edit page. After that animation, we will create the slide in. So for that, go to effects and bring in an adjustment clip and open it in the Fusion page. Select the media one and then add a transform node. Go back to frame 0 and change the Y position to something around 0.331 and then turn on the keyframe. Then go to frame 50 and change the Y position to 0.5 once again. Now let's add motion blur to this as well. Go to settings, turn on motion blur and increase quality. And as always, finally open the spline tab, select everything and smoothen the animation. Now we are done with the image animation and it's time for the text. Firstly, let's create and design this text and after that we will animate it. Go to titles and bring in a text plus node. Change the text according to yourself and choose Helvetica New as the font, because it's really popular on Instagram and I will put the link to download it in the description. Also change it from regular to bold. Then go to settings, increase the size a bit and then change the Y position. Also change the composite from normal to difference to get this nice effect. We are done with this one and let's bring in another text plus node and change the text. Also change the font to Helvetica New from regular to bold. Then go to settings and resize and reposition it. So this is how the design looks and now let's animate it. For the first one, open it in the Fusion page. And for this I want it to slide in from the left. So for that, go to frame 0, go to layout and change the X position. Take it to the left and make it around -0.27. Then turn on the keyframes. Go to frame 50, change the X position to 0.5 once again. Then go to settings and add motion blur. That will give you the animation. At last, open the spline tab, select everything, Ctrl A, right click, ease and out cubic. That's the first text animation. Time for the second one. Again, open it in the Fusion page. Turn this off for now. For this one, we want it to slide in from the bottom. So go to frame 0 and change the Y position to around 0.357. Then keyframe it right there. Go to frame 50 and change the Y position to 0.5. Now that is the slide in animation, but we also want it to flicker in between. So for that, firstly go to frame 10, then select shadings and keyframe the opacity. Go to frame 0 and turn the opacity all the way down. Then again go to frame 10 And from here to frame 30, we want the flickering animation. So at frame 10, you will have this keyframe, then move 5 frames forward and you will land at 15, then turn the opacity to 0. Again move 5 frames forward and then you will land at 20 and increase the opacity to 1. Do this one more time, move 5 frames and turn the opacity down, then move 5 frames and turn it up again. So that will give you the flicker animation in between. Finally, go to settings, add motion blur, open the spline tab, but this time do not select opacity. First only select the layout and the displacement. Then press this button to see everything. Then Ctrl A, right click, ease and out cubic. Now uncheck all of this and now choose opacity. Press this button, Ctrl A and press the S button. So this is the complete animation. Just one more thing is left, and for that you can go to Open Effects and search for fast noise and add it on the fusion clip. Then select the fusion clip, go to Effects and in the fast noise select the preset to be water surface and change the contrast to 0.1.